So today I'm going to show you how to change a fuel filter on your Mk7 Golf GTD.
If you're going to do this procedure without triggering any sort of need to dig out the diagnostic tool to reset the fuel pump and stuff like that, you need to have a little bit of diesel set to one side. So I'd grab some before you start.
T20. Let's focus that up. Yep. T20. There we go. T20 fitment on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to get some regs. Place some regs inside there just to stop any diesel spillage. A trusty old towel. Now it does say on here as well to tighten them up to 5 newtons, I think it says. 5 plus 1. Okay, anyway. Right, that's in. A bit of a tricky one there. 5. There we go. And keep them safe. Don't lose them. Okay, now you should be able to just lift this off. It should just come out. Ooh. With a bit of a pull. Oh, there it goes. Out with a bit of a splash. And this should come all the way back now, revealing the filter. Okay, I'll push this out of the way. There it goes. Oh, splashing around. Just gonna let that drain for a minute. Finally stop dripping. Okay, and then what we need to do, so we can see, I'll just set that there so you can see. So we've got the reservoir inside there, which is full of diesel. I need to drain that out next. But what I am going to do, before we go any further, I'm going to take my new filter, and just compare. Yeah, it's exactly the same. It's not got the nice little rubber seal on the top of that one, but I can only assume it's okay. So what you'll need to get is a big plastic syringe like this. I actually went into Halfords to buy one of these, and it was, believe it or not, 35 quid. So I went online and I bought one off good old eBay for 9 quid delivered. 3 days later it turned up. Happy days. And actually you do get a couple of different extensions in there as well, which was useful. I'll probably be using this one today just to kind of get in there and drain out all that stuff. And you even get a couple of extra O-rings to replace these ones when they get knackered, which is pretty good. All for 9 quid. Happy days. Gonna push fit that onto that. That's on now. Okay, there's my chopped down plastic bottle, which is just gonna get all the old diesel syringed into it. Which, and then I'm going to just use a bungee cord just around one of these, just to kind of keep this out of the way. I'm going to wrap it around the bonnet upright, I think. It's just to keep it out of the way more than anything, because it'll just be inclined to keep falling down. There we go, that's better. I can get in there now. Let's see if I can Bloody hell. Okay, so next we want to do is just get inside there, bit of blue roll or something. Just give it a bit of a clean out, make sure you get any of the debris or whatever is at the bottom. Get it out, get it clean. Okay. If you don't like the smell of diesel, this job's not for you. Another fresh piece. Final whiz round. You want to keep all this old diesel. This is going back in. Ooh, make sure there's nothing in there, like that little bit of blue roll then, trying to escape me. Okay, good in there. Okay. New filter goes in. Diesel you've just took out, that now goes back in, minus any of the crap and sediment that was at the bottom. Just take your time, fill it up, pour it down that middle hole, or wherever. Okay. Now what I would recommend you do is you go to the fuel station before you start this and get yourself an extra can of bit of extra diesel, and you can fill this back up, and what you want to do is get to a point where this is absolutely full, absolutely to the top, but I'll do that, I'll show you now. Extra diesel. I've took out roughly the same amount that was in it before when I drained the reservoir out. I've took out roughly the same again. I'm just going to fill that back up. You want to fill it right to the top. Right to the very top. You don't want any air in it. There we go. It's just starting to seep over there. That's enough. Okay, with this full, I just want to drop this back down, back into position. And that done, take this back out, wipe up any mess. That's it. It did splash a little bit. Okay. Get rid of my really technical camera harness. Tell you what, I use these for everything. Great. If you've not got any, get some. Get them cheap from like Asda, Walmart, whatever your brand of supermarket is. You can pick them up for about £5. I've done ones for years and they look like shit. They still work. Okay, so all that's left to do now is to start. Start. So running. No lights, which is good. Yeah, I know about that one. That's the next video. Cool. I'm gonna get back under the bonnet and just double check we've got no leaks. Looking like we've got any leaks. That's it. No warning lights. No computer, no ECU to reset, nothing. Just top that diesel right to the top, and just nip it up and make sure it's all good. Just double check it. Stand there for a minute. Just make sure you got no leaks, nothing untoward's happening, and yeah, good to go. Fuel filter changed. Okay, that's it. Thanks.